Hi friends, welcome to my channel Informatica by Pujita. Today I am doing Wipro part 2 as I done part 1 last week. In this video, I want to let you know people about WILP, how Wipro is helping BSc and BCA graduates, why they are offering MTech, from which university they are providing this education and faculty, how many semesters and subjects would be there, and remaining things also. Okay friends, let's get into the topic. Firstly, we need to attend the campus drives of Wipro. After completing the whole procedure, and if anyone got selected, they will send a offer letter. In that, clearly they will mention about WILP program, and specially it is for BSc and BCA graduates. You may have so many doubts that what is WILP and why it is only for BSc and BCA graduates. Let me clarify you. WILP is nothing but Work Integrated Learning Program. It is a unique learning integrated program which offers to graduates from BSc or BCA any stream a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India. It was sponsored by Wipro. Why it is only for BSc or BCA? Because so many people wants to do higher education after their graduation, but according to their family situations or may about financial conditions or some other situations, many of will get dropped. So here this foundation had tied up with a famous university and helping some thousands of people every year by giving more knowledge on present technology. In my opinion, it is a golden opportunity for all of us because our success is our parents' happiness. If we achieve this, proudly they can say that their children are also working in MNC, nothing but multinational companies. I gave that happiness to my parents. Now it's all your turn. All the very best to all. Okay, coming to this, now we are looking into deep. That means I think you could get a doubt here, like we are from BSc Computers or Stat or whatever stream it may be. How they will offer MTech for us? Will clarify. Why Wipro is offering MTech? Instead of giving financial assistance to all students, it believes in giving them exposure to the latest technologies to bring about their career development. So for that, it chooses this program, WILP program. It selects students from BCA or BSc every year to offer them a chance to pursue higher education. Here comes the surprise. The education which they are offering is from BITS Pilani University, friends. So we are very glad to get a degree from it. And after completion of our education, we will get the degree certificate like this. So overall, we had 8 semesters, and out of this, 7 are written exam semesters, and 8th one is complete project. I forgot to say previously that we had a service agreement of 60 months before entering into this program, and whatever we are getting salaries, we call it as stipends, and each year we had a particular package, and after completion of our education and bond, we will turn into employee from student, and from that time onwards we will get our salary with some appreciable package. So that's it, friends. Okay, wherever Wipro drives are going on, just go and attend and get a golden chance like this. So after getting this chance, pursue your degree and be a good talented person. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubts, comment below so that I can provide answers, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.